Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our famous Friday. We did say yesterday there's some news coming out at 8:30 this morning, and sure enough, I came and I sat down and I looked at the market, and it obviously offered us a nice trade, which I'm going to go through now. I would like to show you guys something quickly. If you look at the whole day, I mean, the whole day starting 12 o'clock at night, it created a nice trend line for traders, but for us, we see this as liquidity, and then it goes in a sideways move, creating equal highs, equal lows, and then obviously with this trend line, that's all liquidity. So I was keeping an eye on this and see if we wanted to run up, take this equal highs, then the equal lows, or if it's just going to run up, take the buy side, and then create the famous trade on the red for the day, like today. And we're going to go through it in detail now, but with this move up, it left us a lot of sell side liquidity, and you can only expect, if this trade pan out up here, that you can target all the way down to this equal lows. Alright, so let's break it down, and then I'll show you, like always, I'll show you my entries, and that was recorded, and you'll see there's quite a few here, but the strategy is the same. We waited for this candle to print, and lucky for us, it gave us that spike up, spike down, create two sets of target pools for us. And then it just gyrated in the middle, and then it spiked out. It created the fair value gap, but price was holding. Let me dive. As you can see, price was holding in this fair value gap. I did not do anything there. I was waiting for price to run these equal highs up here. So outside of our candle, it printed nice equal highs, and I was waiting for that move. But in this move up, I was hoping for some bigger fair value gap. Didn't give it to us, but it did invert right here. I then, like always, put entry at 50% and a test of that, and I was in the money straight off the bat, but we did not get down to here. And what I always teach people is manage your risk. The minute we break these lows here, I moved my stop very tight, and I did not move it to break even, but I was hoping to see something to break here and then put it to break even. I put it just above my entry, and unfortunately I got stopped out there, but that's fine. It was minimal risk, and I was waiting to see if price want to go and take this high again, and then created another type of fair value gap. But in the meantime, I've extended the IFEG, and sure enough, we went and take those highs again, obviously confusing people, thinking that we might want to go higher, and then we created a little bit of a fair value gap here. And we broke through, price was holding, and then we dropped down, and I think, and we can check now on my entries, I might have entered somewhere here. Let's open it quickly. Yes, so obviously I saw there, and I got stopped out here because I waited for a candle to close above, and then I just got out. And here I was waiting for a fair value gap. We tested it, we broke structure, we came back, and I entered right on these two candles. Got me in there, and then the market dropped aggressively, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes later, I was out of the trade. Strategy played out. And what you do then is you close your laptop and you go have a nice weekend. You don't have to sit here all day trying to find entries. But what I did do is, because I have all this liquidity down here and this equal lows, I thought, okay, the strategy is to enter and to close your position. So I've done that. Then what I've done is I went in with smaller risk. As you can see, I sold 2 and 2. I got picked up on both sides, and this is just an OTE entry. Stop was up here, and we went down and I closed all 4 of them because there's a fair value gap and I can see price is holding, and then eventually I just collapsed the trade. And then price ran all the way up, and I don't think it managed to get there, but it filled this big fair value gap up here. I then just left it, and I thought, okay, so if we want to go lower to here, I want to see an inversion of this fair value gap. We got a candle after numerous spikes. This is not nice price action, and to be quite frank, it's probably best just to walk away. It's Friday, and here it's just, as you can see, screwing with people's minds as to whether we're going up or we're going to go down. There we're going to go up, and then everybody went in, and then everybody got stopped here, and people say that's equal lows, but I said no, it's fine, I'll just enter here. And eventually the market pushed lower, and I took on the 50% of this wick. I took half of the position off, and I took half of position just before the equal lows. And the reason for that is I still believe price will go there, like you can see now, and this is also screwing with people's minds. Now we're long again, and then we short. We're eventually going to go through those equal lows there. But on a Friday like this, I mean, I've seen it so many times where price goes down, and right before the equal lows or equal highs, turn around and go the other side and just consolidate till Monday. So therefore, I've learned to basically take my entries or profit quite early, and but the main reason for this video is just to show you guys we had another opportunity today. It was something that played out. It produced profit within 4 minutes, and you don't have to go through all of this. I just traded this because I blocked this liquidity down here. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I've got for you guys for this week. Another profitable week for us, and you don't have to trade every single day. Next week is NFP week. So I'll go through the calendar probably on Sunday again, and I'll post a video of what I see for the week. And look, then we're just going to focus on those red folder days again, and see how we can pull money out of the market. If you have not yet done this, first time at my channel, like and subscribe to my channel. Pop some comments in below. Below. If you need help, if you need clarity. I'm going to keep doing this, and I will be with you guys on the weekend again, and then we trade away next week on the red folder days. Have a great weekend, be safe, and don't overtrade. Bye-bye.